Tranya T10, Boosted Bass True Wireless Earbuds, Review. These were fantastic little wireless earbuds that features touch controls, a charging case, and a comfortable fit. Now we have the new Tranya T10 True Wireless Earbuds, which are the latest from Tranya as well as being their flagship product. The new Tranya T10 features much of what we loved about the Remore but with updated specs and performance. Design. The Tranya T10 doesn't look much different from the Remore. They share the same basic shape and build, though the part with the logo is indented for a more tactile feel. That's pretty much the only way you can tell these two apart. The T10 earbuds are not too small and not too large and come with extra ear tips so you can size them correctly. The ear tips fit right into my ear holes and the main body just sits comfortably between the recess of my ear cavity. There's no pressure being put on any part of my ear and they're lightweight enough where they don't feel bulky or heavy. Plus, the body has lots of curved, rounded surfaces making them feel extra comfortable. The case is a bit different too. It's more rounded and has a more oval shape to it. It is still chargeable via USB-C, but now adds wireless charging capabilities to it. Just place it down on a wireless charging pad and it should start charging on its own. There's also an LED battery indicator on the outside of the case to show you how much charge is left in it. The case is fully magnetic with a magnetic enclosure and magnetic charging points. The case is also still small enough to fit in your pocket and smooth enough where it won't poke anything. Specs. What sets the Tranya T10 apart from previous models are the 12mm graphene drivers. Graphene is supposed to be incredibly light, durable, and has one of the highest strength-to-weight ratios out there. Tranya uses it to deliver boosted bass. There's also built-in CVC 8.0 noise reduction technology. This is mainly used for calls in which the built-in microphones help to automatically reduce background noise that optimize voices. This allows for crystal clear phone calls. The Tranya T10 also now provides up to 32 hours of playtime with the charge case. You get 8 hours of playtime on a single charge and an additional 24 hours with the case. If you do happen to run out of charge while you're using the earbuds, a quick 10-minute charge will give you an hour of playtime. Like the Remore, the Tranya T10 also has touch controls. These offer full control of your music as well as volume. You can also tap the earbuds to answer and end phone calls. Lastly, the Tranya T10 now has an IPX7 waterproof rating so you can use them without worrying about them getting a bit wet. They leave and survive sweat so they're perfect for fitness activities. In terms of audio quality, these do actually sound very good. The highs are very crisp and clear while the bass is nice and deep. The bass however isn't overwhelming and complements the highs. You can also turn the volume on these fairly high with little to no distortion. Basically you won't be disappointed listening to music on these. In terms of phone calls, they work as intended. Calls came in nice and clear and the other side had no issues hearing me. For more updates subscribe to Tech News and share this video.